Realme 3 is brand's newest attempt at redefining the budget segment of our local market. With a ton of improvements in both hardware and software and a competitive price tag, this phone aims to match if not surpass the phenomenon created by the C1, which was a hit in both online and offline. What's up guys, this is Gian and join me as we unbox Realme 3 here on Gadget Pilipinas. As for the phone itself, Realme 3 features a glossy metallic finish which makes it look more expensive than it actually is, and is also scratch and smudge magnet. There are some noticeable changes in the design, such as the vertical logo placement and the layout of the dual rear cameras. The notch in the display is also noticeably smaller than the C1. Speaking of the display, you get 6.2 inches of real estate, and while resolution remains the same at HD+, text still looks sharp, colors still pack a punch, and visibility under direct sunlight is surprisingly decent. Powering the device is a Helio P60 octa-core processor, which if you'll recall is usually found on mid-range devices and has been proven to be really capable in both daily tasks and even gaming. It's unfortunate that the more powerful Helio P70 is, for now, exclusive to the Indian variant. At least that means the company can lower its price. Moving on, there's a 4GB of RAM, which should be enough even for moderate to heavy multitasking, and 64GB of internal storage, which can be further expanded using a micro SD card. Moving on, the phone has two cameras at the back, one main and one for adding a depth effect to your photos. Realme has added new features such as Chroma Boost, which basically enhances dynamic range and colors. There is also Nightscape mode, which lets you take great looking night shots without the need for a tripod. Realme 3 runs on ColorOS 6 on top of Android 9 Pie. This version of the software introduces a whole new look to the UI and retains a number of nifty features such as game space and split screen. You also get AI face unlock, which is quite fast and works even in less than ideal lighting. Now here are the full specs of the Realme 3. Now that's it for our unboxing of Realme 3. Our full review is coming out on our website, so stay tuned to Gadget Pilipinas. Again, this has been Gian, and thank you for watching.